Kinsa ang 24 ka mga anciano nga gisgutan sa Pinadayag Kapitulo 4, versikulo 4.
The elders on earth give us a pattern so that we can understand the roles of the elders in heaven. The elders are rulers and overseers. The elders are representatives of different planets, as the elders on earth are representatives of individual churches. The elders deliberate in a council, and the elders are administrators of their section of the church. They are officers, as Ellen White says many times in her writings. So do the elders have a very important function in God's administration of the universe? They most certainly do. And you know, it's really nice that someday, as I was mentioning before, we'll be able to travel to all of these worlds. And we'll be able to meet the representatives from those worlds. And we'll be able to talk to those representatives of the world. And as we also studied, Adam will be reinstated in his first dominion. He will represent planet Earth in the heavenly council. Isn't it marvelous the way that God operates his universe? You know, God could do it all himself, but God gives different gifts in the church to make sure that the church functions in perfect harmony and in perfect unity. What a wonderful and marvelous God we have. And so, in conclusion, the 24 elders are powerful, strong, the highest of angels that have been placed in different worlds to oversee and rule those worlds and represent those worlds before the heavenly council. Someday, we will have the privilege of meeting them and will become acquainted with them and will be able to ask them undoubtedly many questions about history and how it transpired and how God was vindicated before all of the beings of his universe.